What do you say, Wade?
Say trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Now what do you say?
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Whoa. See all the decorations? You've got ghosts all over. Yeah.
Ghosts all over.
Yeah.
They're just dressed up, buddy.
They're dressed up, honey. It's just for pretend.
Just like you wearing a costume.
See, he's a person. Yeah. It's like peeing under there or something. Yeah, it's just a kid. That's really nice that people do that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at there's bats. You see the bats flying? Look at that. Okay. You're going to go say trick or treat, okay? Trick or treat. Did you say trick or treat? Okay, thank you. You said thank you. Those are cool, huh? Okay.
Try living with them.